Check this out. That is beautiful, by the way. I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having honey garlic chicken with rice. Let's see if I can beat the clock. I have to admit, though, that I have been prepping and doing a bunch of things for the last 15 minutes. I've been on the phone with my husband because we have a toddler, and just some days there's a lot to go through, which was today. I have some whites of green onion with some oil in here, prepping for my rice. We're going to get our rice dropped in. Doing jasmine rice tonight. I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. There's 1. There's 2. Rice isn't that exciting, so I really don't need to show you how to cook it. I have my pan heating up. I have my chicken breasts. These are marinating in a mixture of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Again, I'm going to tag the original creator. This is totally not my marinade or my mix or anything, but there's a lot of chicken, about a pound of chicken for us tonight. To get going, oh, come on. Too hot, but it's okay. 3 tablespoons of oil. Drop our chicken in here in a single layer. And we are going to cook this for 4 minutes on the side, and then we're going to flip it. While our chicken's cooking, I was cutting onion. Oh, I'm not going to be able to see for the rest of this. We are ready to flip this over. I don't have a tight fitting lid for my rice, and it's ready to roll, so I just add foil. But no matter what I do, there's always a little gap right here. Set it, forget it. That'll be ready to go in 20 minutes. Let's check the chicken, see where we're at. Oh yeah, we're cooked through. Perfect. Pop this out of here. I'm gonna turn my heat way down. This looks phenomenal. Probably not the right way to do it, but we're gonna try. Sauteed onions and carrots are going in. A little bit more oil. Kick that heat back up to a medium high. I really should do some steamed broccoli with this, but I don't have time to walk downstairs and get broccoli, so we're just having carrots and onions. While our veg is cooking, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, pepper. Oh, you guys are home. I didn't beat the clock. I'm nowhere close. It's okay. They're home. How fast did you drive? We just must have talked for a long time tonight. Sometimes we need to, right? I'm just getting ready to finish up my sauce. Everybody's situated in with a little snack right now. 5 cloves of garlic that we're going to add into our veggie mix, and then stir those in and just let those cook for a little bit. I'm going to turn my heat down because I don't want that to burn. Extra fragrant. We're going to add in a 1/2 cup of honey. I'm going to spray this just so my honey doesn't stick as badly. 1/2 cup. And a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're just going to eyeball that. 1/4 cup of soy. Heat is way, way, way down here. Stir this together. And the original recipe called for just a pinch of sugar. Let's do it. Why not? By pinch, we're going to go like that much. Stir. Medium low heat. This looks so good. Add in our chicken and all the juices. Let this cook for another couple of minutes. Shout out to Ebert Honey in Linville, Iowa. We love you, by the way. Love, love, love. You guys, the rice is perfect every single time using that method. Right here. Just gonna let this continue to simmer, and I'll plate up and I'll show you the final bite. But that's it. It was really that easy. Probably close to 30 minutes if I hadn't yapped all night long with my husband. But anyways, you gotta try it.
Oh, is it hot?
A little bit of green onion. Okay, a lot of green onion because I love it. Beautiful supper. Just want to bite of chicken. Rice. Wow, that's so good. You definitely have to try this. Thanks for sticking around.